If you fly drones or you're a photographer or a videographer, you'll know the problem. You load the car with loads of gear, drone bags, camera bags, tripods, batteries, and when you arrive on location, you still have to get all that gear from the car park to wherever it is you're actually operating. And if you can't carry it all in one go, the sensible thing to do is to buy a trolley or a cart. It definitely helps. But most shoots aren't on nice flat surfaces or car parks. You're dragging your gear across grass, mud, construction sites, woods, and sometimes even beaches. And if you've ever tried pulling a trolley across wet grass uphill, you'll know what hard work that can be. And then there's the downhill sections where the trolley's constantly trying to run you over and you look completely stupid. So, this is the Outisan e-Wagon Air. Yes, it's a trolley, but it's not just any trolley, it's a battery-powered trolley. It assists you going uphill and it actively brakes going downhill. Let's see if it's worth adding to your production kit. And spoiler alert, I've been using this for a while and I can't manage without it now. Hello and welcome to the Whirly Bloke channel. Now, typical shoot for me is at least 2 drone bags, camera bags, batteries, tripods, and sometimes a power station, tripods, and occasionally lights. And that's easily 25 to 30 kilograms, sometimes more. And that's where electric assist makes a massive difference. The wagon folds open and it's held together with a strap with a bit of Velcro, so it's easy to get in the back of a car. Unfolding it takes just a few seconds and the build quality is excellent and the frame feels very sturdy. The battery slots into the front and you charge it with the included USB-C charger. Once it's in place, you're ready to go. It's got dual brushless motors built into the front wheels, along with a smart assist driving system. There's no throttle. You simply start walking, pull the handle, and the wagon automatically assists you at the speed that you're walking. Slow down, and it slows down. Speed up, and it speeds up. It all feels very natural, almost like the weight has just disappeared. And if you let go of the handle, the motors automatically brake the wheels, so the wagon won't roll away. And downhill, it actively uses regenerative braking, so instead of fighting the weight of the trolley, it actually controls the descent for you. And when you're carrying thousands of pounds worth of camera and drone gear, that's a really nice safety feature. If you need to stop for a while, there are also foot-operated brakes, like hand brakes, to hold it in place. And the large all-terrain wheels handle rough ground surprisingly well, whether that's grass, gravel or uneven tracks. In terms of specs, the wagon can carry up to 150 kilograms, which is far more than most of us will ever carry on a shoot. The assisted top speed is about 5 kilometers per hour, which is basically sort of normal walking pace, and the quoted range is about 9 miles, although of course that does depend on the terrain, hills, load weight and temperature. And the key thing here is you're still walking normally, you're just not fighting all the weight. For longer countryside shoots or construction sites, where I go a lot, where you're moving a lot of gear around, it really does make a huge difference. When Outisan contacted me about taking a look at this, I was really quite interested. And that's because I've been using the Litely e-Wagon for the last couple of years. I actually reviewed it on the channel and it's been really useful. So I was curious to see how this compares. After all, they're both designed to do the same thing. But this is definitely an improvement. It feels sturdier, it carries more load, it's quieter, it handles rough ground better, it folds faster, and it drives better over rough ground. And the Smart Assist system is just so much better. I suppose that's what you get for 2 years of product development. As you can probably tell by the wheels, I've been using this for the past few months, and it's definitely the one that I'm sticking with. Now, the only downside is all that sturdiness means that the wagon itself is a bit heavier than the Litely wagon, but that's really a trade-off for the stronger frame and the build quality. And to be honest, once the assist motors are helping along the way, you don't really notice the extra weight. It's just a little bit heavier to get in and out of the car. What you do notice is that this feels like a piece of equipment that's going to last. This isn't a flashy upgrade. It's not a new drone, it's not a new camera, but it's one of those bits of kit that genuinely improves your workflow. And for me, it's now part of my standard setup, because anything that reduces friction on a shoot day is definitely worth having. Links to everything are in the video description. Subscribe if you haven't already, and a like would really help the channel. Buy it, consider it, or avoid it. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.